Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Explain what each of these processes are: isothermal, isobaric, and isochoric. Okay, so iso means constant, and then we've got thermo, which means temperature. So it's a constant temperature process. It means the temperature stays the same. Okay, isobaric. Once again, we've got iso being constant. We've got baric, so that refers to pressure. So it's a constant pressure process. So that means your pressure will remain the same. And following the pattern, you guessed it, iso being constant. And then you got choric, which is volume, so a constant volume process. So your process will have a constant volume, which doesn't change. Okay, so that's the basic summary, and that explains the three constant processes. Alright, so we don't really need to go more in depth than that. I think that's pretty clear. Alright, before you leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case the channel gets taken down or this video. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. Alright, you're all familiar with snipping tool, so if you know what to do, you know what to do. For those that are new and never used it before, follow these steps. And for those that are on Mac, use the Mac equivalent. So you can find it in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, and follow these steps. Click on the video option, click on new, left click drag your rectangle, cover your YouTube screen, assuming you're on PC. This is just an example. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, replay the video, let it finish, hit the red square button to stop recording, then save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe if you want to support me, become a member, or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.